What if I told you this 1970 Dodge Coronet Convertible isn't just a car, it's one of fewer than 1,000 ever built, a screaming big block beast, and a rolling piece of American muscle history that will blow your mind the second you hit the gas. Stay tuned, because this is not just a ride, it's an experience you'll never forget. This isn't just any classic car, it's a 1970 Dodge, one of only 924 ever made, with a big block 383 that will make your heart race and your speakers shake. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you love rare American muscle cars, raw big block power, and the kind of open-air driving experience that only a true classic convertible can deliver, then today's car is going to blow your mind. Before we dive into this absolutely stunning machine, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the channel for more incredible classic cars just like this one. Because today, we're looking at something incredibly special. This is a 1970 Dodge Coronet Convertible R/T Tribute, finished in the breathtaking EB5 Bright Blue Metallic, and it's a car that captures everything people love about the golden age of American muscle. Now take a moment and really look at it. The long, aggressive body lines, the deep metallic blue paint reflecting the light like liquid metal, the bright chrome details, and sitting perfectly against it all is that crisp white power convertible top. This car doesn't just look good, it looks unforgettable. And when that top drops down, this machine instantly transforms from a beautiful classic cruiser into one of the most exciting open-air muscle cars of its era. But what makes this car even more fascinating is its rarity. Back in 1970, Dodge produced only 924 Coronet 500 convertibles. That means this body style was already rare right from the factory. And when you combine that rare convertible platform with the aggressive styling and performance inspiration of the RT models, you get a tribute build that perfectly captures the spirit of Dodge's most powerful muscle machines. This car is a celebration of that era, an era when horsepower ruled the streets, when big block engines roared through American cities, and when every stoplight felt like the starting line of a drag race. Now let's talk about what's hiding under that Ramcharger hood, because the heart of this machine is a numbers-matching 383 cubic inch V8 engine. This legendary Mopar big block is the kind of engine that defined muscle cars in the late 1960s and early 1970s. It's massive, it's powerful, and it delivers the kind of deep, thunderous exhaust note that modern performance cars still try to replicate today. Feeding that big block power is a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, delivering the perfect mixture of fuel and air to unleash the engine's full potential. But the real magic comes from the functional Ramcharger cold air induction system. When the throttle opens, the Ramcharger system feeds cool outside air directly into the engine, allowing it to breathe deeper and respond faster. The result? Stronger throttle response, sharper acceleration, and that unmistakable muscle car surge that pushes you back into the seat. And then there's the transmission. Instead of an automatic, this car features a 4-speed manual transmission, giving the driver complete control over every ounce of that big block power. But Dodge didn't just give drivers a standard shifter, they gave them something iconic, the legendary pistol grip Hurst shifter. Grabbing that pistol grip handle and shifting through the gears is one of the most satisfying experiences in the world of classic cars. First gear, the engine growls. Second gear, the tires bite into the pavement. Third gear, the sound of raw American horsepower echoes down the road. And suddenly you realize this car isn't just transportation, it's an experience. But muscle cars from this era weren't only about power, they were also about style. And when you open the door of this Coronet, the interior takes you straight back to 1970. Inside, you'll find a beautifully restored factory-correct white vinyl interior, and the contrast between the bright white cabin and the deep EB5 blue exterior is absolutely stunning. The seats look like they belong in a luxury lounge, yet they still hold you perfectly in place when the car accelerates. The dashboard is pure vintage Mopar design, simple, bold, driver-focused. Front and center sits the classic gauge cluster, giving you all the information you need while keeping your eyes locked on the road ahead. and just beside you, the pistol grip shifter waiting for the next gear change. Even the entertainment system keeps things authentic. This car still features a factory AM/FM radio, reminding us of a time when cruising down the highway meant tuning into your favorite station and letting the music mix with the sound of the engine. Now let's talk about the stance of this machine, because the way a muscle car sits on the road can make all the difference. This Coronet rides on a beautiful set of 15-inch Magnum chrome wheels, wrapped in aggressive BF Goodrich tires that give the car both grip and attitude. Those classic Magnum wheels are a signature Mopar look, and on this car they complete the entire package. But despite its vintage character, this Coronet also includes features that make it enjoyable to drive today. It comes equipped with power steering, making the car far easier to handle at low speeds or while cruising through town. And up front, it features front disc brakes, giving the driver improved stopping power and confidence behind the wheel. Then, of course, there's the convertible experience. With the push of a button, the white vinyl power convertible top lowers smoothly, opening the cabin to the sky above. Suddenly, the sound of the engine becomes even louder, the wind flows through the interior, and every drive becomes something unforgettable. This is what classic convertible muscle cars were made for. Late summer evenings, long highways, the sound of a big block engine echoing through the air as the sun disappears over the horizon. It's not just driving, it's freedom. And when you combine all of that with the rarity of this model, the iconic Mopar design, and the beautifully restored condition of this car, you start to understand why collectors are willing to pay serious money for machines like this. With an asking price of $96,995, this Coronet represents a unique opportunity to own a piece of American muscle car history. It's rare, it's powerful, it's beautifully restored, and most importantly, it captures the spirit of a time when cars were bold, loud, and unforgettable. The 1970 Dodge Coronet Convertible R/T Tribute isn't just another classic car. It's a rolling piece of automotive art, a machine built in an era when horsepower was king, when design was fearless, and when the open road was calling for anyone brave enough to answer. And the moment you hear that big block roar to life, you will understand exactly why cars like this continue to capture the imagination of enthusiasts all over the world. If you enjoyed this incredible muscle car, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we've got many more rare classics, legendary engines, and unforgettable machines coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.